our solar system. Do you know why we call it the solar system? We call it the solar system because everything in it is centered around the sun, and solar means something to do with the sun. Do you know that the sun is very far away from the earth? Almost about 93 million miles away. Can you believe that? The sun is so big that it's more than 100 times wider than the earth. The sun has burned at millions of degrees in its center. In fact, the sun makes up more than 99% of the mass in the solar system. The sun gives us heat and light because it was always burning. The sun is a giant ball of gas. Earth is what's called a Goldilocks planet because it is not too hot and not too cold. It's just right. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet to have living things. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet and is something called a gas giant. It is called this because it is very big and made mostly of gases. Jupiter is so big that you would have to place 11 Earths end to end just to stretch across its middle. Jupiter has at least 69 moons. Saturn is famous because of its beautiful rings. Saturn is also another gas giant. The rings are made of many small ice particles as well as rock and dust. Mars is known as the red planet because iron oxide, a material like rust in the soil, gives it a reddish color. Mars is smaller than Venus and Earth but larger than Mercury. Venus. Some people call Venus Earth's sister because the two planets are very close in size and gravity, but they are very different on the surface. Uranus. Uranus is another gas giant, but it is much smaller than Saturn and Jupiter. It is tilted so much that it's actually spinning backwards. Do you know? Uranus has rings around it too. But the rings of Uranus is much smaller than Saturn's rings. Neptune. Neptune is another gas giant, and like Uranus, it is melted in its atmosphere, so it also looks blue. Neptune is a darker blue than Uranus, and scientists aren't sure why. Neptune has a few thick rings and 14 moons. Because Neptune is so far away in space, it takes it a very long time to go around the Sun. Neptune has the longest orbit of any planet in the solar system. Mercury is a lot like our moon. It's small and has a rocky system with craters on it. That's all I have for now. Hope get to share about some other interesting facts in my new video. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe.